Who else loves to go for a walk along a stream, fresh snow melt, taking time to listen to the quiet stillness? I can hear the birds. I can enjoy the fresh air. I can feel the warmth on my skin. I can enjoy nurturing myself with nature in its calm stillness, reminding myself and sharing love's light with others that one day, one step at a time, doing our best to live in love, share love, teach love, believe in love, receive love. One day, one step at a time. Let love's flow through you like a stream of water to regenerate your heart, body, mind, and soul in its newness, its freshness of every day, with sincerest of gratitude. What are you grateful for in this day? Have an amazing day. Know that you are love, loving, and loved.